why you should be doing open houses every single weekend. As a new realtor or a realtor looking to take their business from 10 deals to 20 deals, working open houses are super important and you should be doing them every single weekend or as many opportunities as you possibly can get. Reason being, this is a great opportunity for you to potentially pick up buyers that are actually looking to purchase a house now. If they're looking at open houses and spending time waiting on lines, you know they're a serious client, and these easily can be converted to a buyer for you to represent if they don't have any representation right now. And guess what? You can even pick up sellers from an open house as well. You never know if they're looking to upgrade or downsize their house and they have a house that they need to sell while they're looking to buy. So for myself, I recently just did an open house in Levittown where I picked up a client from the open house. That house wasn't for them. They had to sell and they were looking to buy something. I then got them to sign a listing agreement. We listed their house and we found the house for them to purchase, and now they're under contract. So working that open house separately from closing on that transaction, and now picked up 2 extra transactions that you would have never had. So if you're looking to double your business, work open houses non-stop.